stop telling her to burp. No one will. Megan, I actually just a chug Sprite. I'm not doing that. I just burped just now. Morgan, actually.
I've gotten so many comments from the f***ing burping clips.
Bro, if I burp, will that be disgusting?
Pogaccia con lo specchio.
Boludo, están haciendo ruido la cañería, creo.
Good job. Almost threw up on that one. I did a little, it was a little. You know this helps when you're in the toilet? Ooh! That was good. Those are the iced tea burps. Alright, who do you think did better? Did better? Who do you think? No. Okay, perfectly. Don't throw up. You can see it, you can see it. Throw up on me. Wait. Where's her mess? Burp me.
So good. Oh my god. Excuse me. Cheers. I love Coke.
Передай привет. И найди себе... Все равно прочитаю. Жуки майские начали летать. Че, весна, что ли, скоро?
Наоборот, блядь, наоборот. Отвечаю, я...
What if I'm so scared? Hey, so they try to. If you can.